Ooh.
1603 in Leicester it gets got. So yeah, it's a bit later.
I think it depends on where you're near to. If you're near to the northern atmosphere, it'll get darker earlier, and the further you are away from it, the lighter it. I think that's how it works. Dad knows better than I do. I've never heard of that place. Weirdo. Go away.
Why you married me?
Go away, you weirdo. So pretty. Oh, nice.
This is Mitchell Devon. This train is for Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Winchester.
I got air in my mouth. Whoa, look at that.
Good train.
Wow, cool. One. Habakkuk, Lloyd. Whoever there is. One. There is one long train. Oof. That's where we are. Can't see it. Oh, Nickel Devil, yeah. That's where we'll be getting.
Station is Mitchell Devon. Please mind the gap.
Hey, the who, the what?
Mitchell Devon.
Oh.
Hey, the who, the what? The next station is Hey, the who, the what?
Once again, next station stop is Mitchell Devon. Relievers here, please make sure you travel with 16 coaches off the St. Coach train, digital platform at Mitchell Devon.
Never even heard of the place. I'm moving at the same time we were.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it. Say it. Sort it.
Very good afternoon, welcome to those joining us here at Basingstoke. This is the 1603 Southwest Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. This service now calls at Mitchell Devon, Winchester, Eastleigh, Hedgend, Botley, Fareham, Portchester, Cosham, Hilsea, Grantham, Portsmouth Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. This is going to go on time to Portsmouth Harbour of 1780. This train is formed of 8 coaches. We do call at stations with short platforms. Any customers travelling to Mitchell Devon, Botley and Portchester, please do make sure you travel in the front 6 coaches. Digital platforms at these stations. And we go currently located coach number 5, walking through during the journey. Our next stop in service will be Mitchell Devon.
Trains are patrolled by uniformed and plain-clothes revenue protection team.
I still think we should revive
Well, they did those stage productions of Evil, didn't they? domestic candles. What was the other one? Fury. They were good.
Oh, Curse of the Darlings.
Oh yeah.
Suggested. Oh, 7 keys to do stuff.
Yeah, I think that was a bit ambitious for the London theatre. Going to be a bit much for Leicester Littleton.
We need a few Darlings to put that bit going.
I think it was a bit more to it. What about the Chlorantula?
What's that? Oh, tarantula.
It was the alien in 7 Keys to Doomsday.
Oh, yeah. Why, is it going to be at the event tomorrow? Oh, it's abandoned. Cool. Some kids are playing.
Maybe your message sounds good.
Yeah.
The next
Oh, there you
station
go,
is
he's messaged
Farnborough.
him.
Change here for a
He's just asked if-
1,300 metre walk with some gradient changes to Farnborough North Railway Station. Please mind the gap.
I'll put in due at 4:41. Hey, hopefully it wasn't usually an event. I've heard of it.
Do it. Silly.
Go on, go in the short skirt. Andy, this is the girl in the short skirt.
To the right, over there.
What? How short? That'd be worth it.
This is Farnborough. This train is for Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Fleet.
Must be going to a fancy dress club soon. Blimey, what? Apparently they're helping to catch fire there.
Good advice.
Wow, that is cool.